Hello everyone, today we are going to see how to connect Node-RED with MQTT Broker. First, let us understand what is Node-RED. Node-RED is a programming tool widely used in order to deploy IoT applications quickly. It provides a web editor where you can add multiple nodes and wire together your hardware devices, applications and deploy it. Now let us understand the workflow shown here. On the left hand side, I have Node-RED deployed on my laptop locally. We have mqtt-out node which is used to publish a message. Here I am publishing a sample random number message on a particular MQTT topic using an MQTT broker. An MQTT broker is used to publish and subscribe a particular message to the MQTT clients. You can use commonly used MQTT brokers like Hive MQTT or Mosquito MQTT. Then we have mqtt-in node over here which we will be using to subscribe to the sample message that got published via MQTT broker. Here I am subscribing to the message within my Node-RED client itself, but as you could see in the flow chart, it can be subscribed by multiple other MQTT clients listening to a particular topic on a mobile device or on a PLC. Now let us start creating the workflow in Node-RED. This is the Node-RED canvas over here where you can start creating a new workflow. Now I am adding the inject node over here. The inject node helps us to trigger a message manually into our workflow or at regular intervals as well. We will be manually triggering the workflow with some random numbers. So here I am selecting the message payload as number and I'll be sending 400 as a random number over here. So here we will add the mqtt-out node. The mqtt-out node connects to the broker and publishes our message. So we will drag and drop the mqtt-out node over here. We will double click and we will select add new broker, mqtt broker under the properties, and we now add the host name or the server details of our broker along with the username and password to connect to the broker successfully. So here I am using a broker within StatStream. StatStream is a data analytics platform where you can basically visualize your data coming from your industrial equipments and other manufacturing devices. So coming back to the canvas over here, we will be adding it under the server field. We can also add the client ID. It's not a mandatory field, but still we'll add it over here. Now let us add the username and password to connect to the broker in a secured way. Always make sure that you correctly add the username and password to connect to the MQTT broker. You can add the MQTT topic over here as well, but in this video I am going to add it under the inject node. So it's your choice. You can add it under the mqtt-out node itself, or you can always add it in the inject node. So I am going to connect it over here. Yeah. Now as you can see, the MQTT out node is connected to the MQTT broker successfully. Let us test the workflow over here. We will hit the trigger node button manually and it shows successfully injected the data 400 on this particular topic. So before that, I'll quickly showcase you here under the inject node. I have added the MQTT topic which I got from StatStream. right? For testing purpose, I have added this topic over here. So you can add your own topic as per your requirement, and check the publish process or the publish flow. So here, as you could see, the message is being published on this v1 device, node-RED device, variable random number topic successfully. We can verify it quickly coming to the history tab under stat stream, where you can basically see it along with the timestamp, right? You can also check this under the debug screen, where you can actually check your message format as well along with the timestamp and the protocol. So as soon as I hit the trigger node button, uh, it is getting added under the debug screen, as well as it gets showcased within the history tab over here as well. Now let us add mqtt-in node over here. Similar to mqtt-out node, which is used for publishing the message, mqtt-in node we would be using it for subscribing to a message from the specific topic, right? So we will drag and drop the mqtt-in node over here, and along with that we will also add the debug node. The debug node will basically help us out in getting the subscribed messages over here under the debug window on the right hand side. So let's configure mqtt-in node. So here we will be selecting, under the server properties, we will be selecting the specific MQTT broker that we need to subscribe to, and under the topic we would be again adding the same topic. So here I'll open the inject node and I'll again paste the same topic under my mqtt-in node. So we will add it over here and we will click on deploy. Now, as you can see, the mqtt-in node is also connected, and let us see how we get the subscribed message. So here in this particular video, I am using node-RED for publishing the message as a mqtt client, as well as I am using node-RED in order to subscribe and test out the subscribed message as well. So once I click the trigger node, as you could see over here, one message I am getting in debug 1, which is for the publish, and second message I am getting under the debug 2, which is getting subscribe. So here you could see I am getting two messages, debug 1 and debug 2. So that's when you could test out your publish and subscribe flow. So here, as I am clicking, it is getting highlighted on the debug 2 of the mqtt-in node, and this is debug 1 of the mqtt-out node over here. So this was a quick tutorial on how to connect node-RED with MQTT broker. I hope you liked the video and it was helpful. Do subscribe to our channel in order to view more informative videos on industrial automation, building IoT applications. Thanks for watching.